Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Baba Tutorials. Thank you for watching the video previously created on Microsoft Excel. So we recently talked about how you can separate first name and a last name from full name, and then how you can, do the vice versa, which is adding first name and last name as full name. So now in this Excel trick, we're gonna talk that if you have the employee IDs this way, and you may want it all the employee IDs in one single cell separated by comma. Some of the tools, since I've been working with an organization, some tool says that you can put the values in one single cell, but the comma should be there with separated, separating one value. So how you can do this, either you can put this and then copy it the other way, other and then go here, put comma and this. So this is going to take a lot of time and does not looks professional at all. So to solve this problem, we're going to use the equal to formula and concatenate formula. So first, you need to add a row in this B column, and then use equals to formula, go to A2, and then hit enter. Nothing else. So easy. So you have the first cell as equals to the as A2 in the B2 cell. Now we're gonna use the formula says concatenate. Once you use the concatenate formula, open the bracket and then select B2, which we have used from A2. Then hit and sign, inverted comma, then and sign, and then go to A3. There you go. Now you just drag this formula till the way you need all these values separated with comma. So if you see that initially we just used A2 in the cell B2 by using the formula, and then we have used concatenate formula which says select the value B2 and inverted comma with a comma value to separate and A3. Then it brought the value which says A2, B2, and then this one. The same way it is following this way. It is just copying the value from above and then copying it this way. So it has created like a pyramid which you can use, and then you can use it as long as you want into your data, and then the values are separated. So easy, right? There is another formula which is even more easier than this. Select this, then click on and, comma, and there you go. You don't need to use concatenate in it at all. I hope you guys like this video. If it does help you, please click on like button and have a wonderful day. Take care. We'll see you in the next Excel trick or troubleshooting. Thank you.